YouTube has recently introduced a brand new feature called YouTube Chapters, which is an upgrade to YouTube timestamps. I'm loving it because it has added so much value for you, the viewer, on how you can navigate longer videos on YouTube. So let me show you how to add YouTube chapters to your YouTube videos to get more watch time on your videos. Are you ready? Hey go-getter, it's Salma Jafri. I'm the founder of YouTube Launchpad, the foundational course for growing your personal brand with video. If you want to increase your visibility, credibility, and profitability with YouTube, be sure to hit the red subscribe button, the bell icon, and let's begin. YouTube timestamps, as it was known, still exists, but YouTube has added another feature called YouTube Chapters, which helps divide your YouTube video into sections. So I'll show you, I did this in the last video that I did, or one of the last videos I did. Here is a video, and you can see in the seek bar or the play bar, the video is divided into sections, and each section has a name and a timestamp, which is great for helping people to navigate longer videos. So viewers can click on a section and watch that. They can jump to a specific section. They can rewatch a specific section. They can click and see just that particular section and share the video out with just that timestamp. And they can rewatch those sections that they need to for information. So this is really great for how-to videos, for instructional videos, for videos in which you're showing a process, and videos that have a longer time duration. You can also see how much of a section that you have watched, and so that gives you an idea of how much of the video you have already watched and what is remaining. So you can watch not just the entire video, but each section you can see how much you've completed. So I think it really gives a good idea of how the video is structured and divided to the most important points that you need to remember. Now let's talk about how you can actually include timestamps or chapters inside your YouTube videos. So it's very simple. What you need to do is go inside your description section, like in this video, let me show you. So inside show more, if I scroll down, I've divided this video into all of these chapters by adding the timestamps. So I've said this video has the following sections, and then I write down the timestamps and then write down a description of that section. Now YouTube chapters will only work if the first section starts with the timestamp 000. Okay, so that is the only condition. And if you do not want to have YouTube chapters, you can simply remove this 000 timestamp, and it'll convert into a regular YouTube timestamp video where people can click on the timestamp and still go in, but you won't have that play bar divided into those sections. Okay, the other thing that I think you should do is after every single timestamp, choose a description that is SEO friendly. This is a super ninja tip right now that I'm about to give you, because when you add in a keyword research descriptive section header, what you're doing is increasing your video's chances of ranking, because you are giving YouTube more metadata. You are giving it more information. You are putting in more keywords in your description section that you could possibly rank for as well. So all of your secondary keywords, related keywords, relevant keywords for this video, as you can see in this. So there's a couple of sections here where I've added keywords, right? So, for example, write a script would be a keyword, right? Record your screen using screencasting software would be a keyword. Configure your, choose screen dimensions would be a keyword. So these are all keywords that I've added in the description section very naturally. So that's a huge opportunity when you're using YouTube chapters. I think that a lot of people might at this point be thinking, well, if I use YouTube chapters, then people are just going to skip ahead and not watch my entire video. And isn't my audience retention actually going to suffer when that happens? Like, how is it going to improve? Well, I have 3 points for you here, right? So first of all, your aim as a video creator is to give your viewers information, but also to give them a really good viewing experience. And this helps them have a better viewing experience because they can jump to the sections that are most relevant. And then they can actually pay attention to that section and get information and see you as somebody who gives valuable information. So that's one. The other thing that I think happens is higher retention because people rewatch sections that they find informative or that they enjoy. So if there's a certain part of the process that people need to rewatch again and again to perfect or to follow along with, then that actually leads to higher retention of those specific sections for you. So that's a good thing. And then the third thing is the viewers can skip to the sections that they really want. So they're not really bored while watching your videos, but they are engaging a little bit more because they're clicking and they're watching and they're like rewinding. So they're more engaged. And I think that YouTube is eventually going to probably see these as metrics, like clicking on sections is probably going to become like part of YouTube analytics, making a future prediction here. But I think that the fact that they're engaging with your video by clicking on different sections is going to be a positive indicator going forward. What do you think? Do you think that you're going to be able to use YouTube chapters in your next video? Let me know in the comments below. I want you to go watch this video next on how to increase your audience retention by using my scripting formula. So go watch that next. I'll see you in the next video.